Hello everyone, welcome to a special edition of Art Whisper 88. I've had requests from a viewer to show my setup, and here it is. This is my printing table with all my plastic stencils and my brayers. And it's not the neatest, but I'm glad to say that I get the artwork done. This is my makeshift workroom, and this is actually my living room where I have my art supplies and my art books, as you can see. And then this is my collection of assortment of paints of different brands like Amsterdam, Liquitex, Lucas, and so on. And I have them in these plastic tubs just to somewhat organize them. I organize them by color family, like blues and greens. I have the yellows and oranges and red in one tub. And then I have metallics in another tub. And then I have my assorted brushes, as you can see here. Some are for watercolor, some are for mounting. And here are my spray bottles for cleaning. And these are the larger containers of acrylic. And I make sure I have a lot of this. This is my Mod Podge. Let me show you the one that has a label right here. Okay, this is a staple for collage. And then I bought a shelf for shoes. Actually, it's a low shelf for storing your shoes and boots, and I use it instead for all my watercolors and my smaller pigments, my trays, my mixing plates, and let's see what else. This is my makeshift. I attach my camera here. This is a LED floor lamp, and I use a very fancy setup. As you can see, it's a rubber band, and then the camera goes on top of here. And so in my videos you have this kind of view where you have a direct line of sight to the printmaking or painting, whatever. Let me show you my other storage. These are my smaller paints and my assortment of tools. And these are the most important tools, actually. They're two sticks, dowels, which I use to make my scribbles. And then I have my collection of assorted paints, pencils, erasers. And again, I have them sorted in tubs. Some of the older paints, which are more liquid, I have them separated. And then I have, you'll get a kick out of this. Let me show you my brush collection. This is kind of like wholesale. I've got foam brushes. These are the economy synthetic brushes that I like a lot. I get these from Michaels or Blick. And this is a present from my niece. It's from Japan. So this is my collection of brushes. Okay. So, and last but not least, this is one of my most important pieces of equipment. This is my flat file, metal flat file. I have two, and they're stacked on top of each other. And I have them sorted according to stages of completion. Now this is my storage bin for my Somerset paper. It's actually a mix of different papers, and they're nice and flat and they stay dry. Here is my large format jelly plate. Now, this is how you're supposed to store this. This is the box that it came in. And what I do is I return the piece of acetate that it came with in the back. Now the other one that goes on top, I already cut it up for stencils. But that's okay because it's still safely packed in its original box. So here is my storage for my smaller pieces. And you can remember this one from a past video. That's the circus print. Now for the larger pieces, I have this drawer. It's pretty full because the work is piling up. Now I am planning to have some kind of retrospective to show all of this. I'm not all of it, but I'm going to pick the ones that I like the most. And here's another drawer for all the larger pieces. These are what I call the monster prints. These are the really big ones where they don't have a border. A 22-inch by 30-inch. And then my top drawer is for an assortment of papers, and these are the smaller gel plates. This is 8 by 10, and then I have the 12 by 14 right here, and that is the top drawer for assorted stuff. So that's an overview of my art supplies, and as you can see, that's my dining table. I really don't have much room to eat on because it's filled with stuff. So there you have it, a quick overview of Art Whisperer 88 Workshop. And thank you for watching and subscribing, and I hope to see you next time.